Okay, so let's quickly learn one more thing today, and that will be on anchor tag. There is something we call anchor tag. So it is usually denoted with tag A. So you can pick it from these symbols, but I don't actually want to be picking from here. So in case you are using a device that doesn't have these options, so this is your first bracket, then you put A and you close it. So this is what is called an anchor tag. So usually anchor tags usually have something we call attributes. So and its attribute is this hypertext reference. So when you type this hypertext reference href, then you come and pick this equal to, and this what is the name of this thing, to quote something like quotation mark. Aha. So anchor tag is actually meant for, you must have seen something like when you are browsing on some sites, you may just see something like uh, um learn about, they may be talking about a particular thing, like they may say, okay, we are available on Facebook here, and that particular word here will it will have a different color, that if you click on it, it will lead you to their Facebook account, something like that. We are available on Facebook here, and that word here will be a link, but it is appearing as here. That's what we want to learn here now. So let's say we want it to lead to a Facebook. So you now write Facebook here, https, okay, // pww.facebook.com. Okay, so that is the hypertext reference. This is where you want your word to lead to. You can put anything there. It can be your actually Facebook profile link. You can put it there. I'll now say it, and you can now put it here now, like meet us on Facebook. Meet us on Facebook. Meet us US on Facebook. Okay, so this is what is called anchor tag. So don't forget, when you start an anchor tag, you open it, you must have started with A, anchor the tags of A, and you now open the opening bracket. You're not going to open it. Inside the opening bracket, you just put a space after the A, and you type your attribute there. Under HTML, there's something you call attribute value and attribute name, but in this case we have only one attribute here now. So href, which means hypertext reference, then you put where you want your word to, the link you actually want to connect with. So let's say it's facebook.com, then this word you put it after you have closed the first tag, the opening tag, then you put it in between the opening and the closing tags, as we usually do. So let's save this now and check it here. Wow, can you see meet us on Facebook? If you click it now, okay, because am I using browser? So this now will actually lead us to, can you see, it opens a Facebook. So it's that beautiful. Okay, is it working? Yeah, it's working. See you in the next class. Bye.